What the heck? Oh, it's for Monmouth County? Oh gosh.
At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm.
What the heck is this? It just said Bellmead. What the heck is that? What the heck is Bellmead?
60 miles per hour.
WXM60?
Radar indicator. Our lines is Asbury Park, Somerville,
WXL39?
Somerset, Edison, Middletown,
Yeah, Middletown.
Powell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan,
What the heck is this?
Falls, Holmes,
Oh my.
South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Interior Road,
This is insane.
Eastern Falls, Holmville, Damage Winds, frequent cloud formations.
Oh my gosh.
Move outdoors immediately. Remember, winds, frequent clouds ground is occurring with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Remember, flash flood here, thunder. You are closing your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall here, thunderstorm has been continued until 6:14 p.m. for the following. Not drove your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service conducted New York has issued a special marine warning for major items in Lake from New York down to
Goodness, what the?
Eastern Long Island Sound, the Connick and Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 6 p.m. At 4:24 p.m.